Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 7 of the best air fryers you can get right now. We'll break down their features, ease of use, and find out which one truly deserves a spot in your kitchen. Let's jump right in with our first pick. The Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer. With its 6-quart capacity and square design, it's perfect for larger portions without overcrowding. The air circulation technology ensures even cooking, while the unit runs quietly, making it ideal for busy kitchens. The non-stick interior makes cleaning easy, and there's no need for scrubbing or self-cleaning. The digital control panel is simple to use, allowing easy adjustment of temperature and time. Despite not being the most powerful air fryer, it delivers consistent and reliable results, cooking food evenly without any raw or rubbery spots. Cosori Turbo Blaze Air Fryer. Next, let's talk about the Cosori Turbo Blaze Air Fryer. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for larger meals, and its compact size makes it great for smaller kitchens. This model features a frozen food mode for cooking and keeping food warm, and a yeast setting for helping dough rise, perfect for sourdough or pizza. Cleaning is a breeze with the dishwasher-safe basket and crisping tray. It's also user-friendly with intuitive controls. Performance-wise, the Turbo Blaze cooks well, but it didn't achieve the same crispy texture on items like salmon skin as some other models. Ninja Crispy Air Fryer. Next up is the Ninja Crispy Air Fryer. This air fryer has a PowerPod convection system on the lid that works with glass baskets in 4-quart and 6-cup sizes. The smaller baskets cook food twice as fast as plastic ones, making it perfect for quicker meals. It has heat-resistant feet to protect your countertop, and everything is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Plus, the baskets nest for simple storage. With 1500 watts of power, this air fryer delivers crispier results than many pricier models. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. It can toast up to 6 slices of bread, cook a 13-inch pizza, or even roast a whole chicken, all while also delivering crispy buffalo wings or fries. With a larger capacity than most air fryers, it also features a clear viewing window, so you can easily check your food while cooking. What makes it stand out is the Element IQ technology, which adjusts heat based on internal temperature, eliminating hot and cold spots for more even cooking. The downside? The Breville Smart Oven is a big investment and costs more than most other air fryers, taking up quite a bit of countertop space. But if you're looking for a multifunctional, powerful appliance, this could be a great choice. Ninja 4-quart Air Fryer. Next, let's talk about the Ninja 4-quart Air Fryer. This is not only our favorite small air fryer, but it also outperforms much larger and more expensive competitors. With a 4-quart capacity, it delivers near-perfect results for garlic, wings, shrimp, biscuits, and of course, fries. It has a non-stick interior for easy cleaning, is quiet during operation, and its compact size makes storage a breeze. The settings are simple, but it still does everything a classic air fryer should. Whether you're a beginner or advanced, this air fryer is a smart choice for solo cooks or apartment dwellers. There are smaller fryers on the market, but this one doesn't take up much more space on the countertop while delivering better results. Philips Dual Basket Air Fryer 3000 Series. Now let's talk about the Philips Dual Basket 3000 Air Fryer. This is the top pick for the best large and best dual basket air fryer. Whether it's cauliflower or chicken wings, it delivers crispy and perfect results in both the 6-quart and 3-quart baskets. Unlike many other dual basket models, it cooks evenly without issues like inconsistent cooking. The non-stick interior makes it easy to clean, and although it doesn't have a viewing window, it still performs flawlessly. With 1700 watts of power, it's more powerful than other larger air fryers, and it's perfect for cooking for a crowd. The price is worth it for the performance and features. Instant Omni Plus Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Next, let's talk about the Omni Plus Air Fryer, a super-sized, versatile countertop device. With its consistent air circulation and powerful heating elements, it can bake, grill, air fry, and even dehydrate. It's large enough to fit a 12-inch pizza, a whole chicken, or even a 9 by 13-inch baking pan for a quick. And there you have it. 7 of the best air fryers you can get right now. Each one brings something different to the table, whether you're looking for something compact or a full-on kitchen powerhouse. Which one would you pick? Let us know your favorite in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up And don't forget to subscribe for more side-by-side tech comparisons and product guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy cooking.